Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to turn off Instagram notifications for one specific account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. If you have more than one account, here you can toggle off notifications for one specific account. You can easily switch between your accounts simply by tapping right here at your profile picture twice. In that way you can switch between accounts, and you can now hit the like button if you didn't know that before. Also, you can switch between your accounts in that way, so you can open up your profile, hit at your username, and it shows you all of your accounts. Actually, I have 3 accounts logged in at the same time. That is my primary account, and that is my another account, and let's say I want to toggle off notifications for that account. So first I have to switch to that account, then hit add menu icon, then go into settings. In settings, tap add notifications, and right here at the very top I can easily find the pause all feature. I can hit add that feature to toggle it off, but unfortunately you can toggle off notifications just for up to 8 hours. After 8 hours or after any other time that you selected, notifications will be toggled on again. So if you want to completely toggle off notifications for that account, you can hit right there at cancel, and then hit on post stories and comments. Right here, if you want to toggle off all the notifications, you can just select off under each category, just like in my case, because by default all the notifications toggled on. So just hit where it says off, so in that way you can toggle off notifications for that specific account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful videos. You can easily find that playlist in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.